Hello there. You might have seen some leaks and renders of the Samsung S22 Ultra. If not, you are about to see some leaks of the Samsung flagship of year 2022. So tighten your seatbelt and keep watching this video till the end. You will have some good news about Samsung if you are a Samsung lover. This is the fresh leaked image of S22 Ultra. The most interesting and exciting part of S22 Ultra will be the SPen will be included in the S22 Ultra. The separate slot is provided for SPen. This means there won't be coming any Note 21 or Note 22. Basically it means Note series will die from Samsung. The camera specifications of S22 Ultra will remain same as hardware wise as S21 Ultra, but there must be some software upgrade from S21 Ultra. The camera specifications of S22 Ultra looks like 108 megapixel for primary camera, 12 megapixel for ultra wide, 10 megapixel for telephoto. The screen to body ratio looks pretty much decent. It has fine bezels around the display. It has curved display. If you are expecting flat edge display, you will be disappointed in S22 Ultra. These are some leaks of upcoming S22 Ultra. If you find this video interesting, give us thumbs up. If you wanna watch video from us earlier, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe, stay connected, peace.